Hello everyone, today we are talking about the latest development in the mysterious death of 18-year-old Nolan Wells, a Mississippi College student whose case has attracted nation attention. Nolan Wells was reported missing after a 4th of July trip to Horn Island, a barrier island off the Mississippi Gulf Coast. He had gone there with friends for a holiday gathering. His body was later found in the water near the island. At first, authorities said that there was no clear sign of foul play and drowning was considered possible. However, the exact cause and manner of Nolan death have still not been policy established. Nolan family has continued to demand answers. They hired Attorney Ben Graham and pushed for an independent investigation because they said they were answered question and contradiction surrounding with what happened. An independent autopsy was later conducted, but it did not provide a clear answer. The preliminary findings describe the case and the manner of death as underestimated pending future investigation. The official state medical examiner findings have also been kept from public release while the investigation continued. The case then received even more nation attention. The Congressional Black Caucus asked the U.S. Department of Justice to review the circumstances surrounding Nolan's disappearance and death. The Justice Department confirmed that it received the request and said that the matter was being reviewed. Now there is another major development. On August 21, a law firm representing three of Nolan's friends announced plan to send an 19-page promulgation and defamation demands to Rev. A.I. Sharpton, the lawyer, says three young Morgan Samuel, Yax Pitol, and the Warren Hudson have been wrongly accused to connected to Nolan's death. They are demanding an apology and retraction. It is important to understand that these legal claims are all allegations. They do not prove that anyone is responsible for Nolan's death. At the time, no one has been charged with a crime in connection with Nolan Well's death. Investigations are still working on the case, and the grand jury is expected to review the evidence when the investigation process allows. The biggest unanswered question remains simply what really happened to Nolan Well or Horner Island. His family wants the full truth while investigators to continue examining the evidence. As new information come out, the case could take another important turn. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.